So how does the no-code AI agent platform really work? So what we do personally, guys, is that we partner up with two platforms, GoHighlevel and EchoSetter. And this platform allows us to resell the software with our own brand, logo, and name on top of it, so that the client, the business owner, will think this is our software, right? That we created it. But in fact, we didn't do anything. They do most of the work for us, okay? So the simplest way to explain this is the hotel analogy. And in this business, you have absolutely full control on how you want to run this hotel. You can put your name, your color, your brand, your logo on top of this hotel. And each hotel have a room. And in each room, you can charge people whatever price you want. In this case, we're gonna say $297, right? Now, instead of a physical hotel, think of it like a software. It would have unlimited room with no cleaning or no maintenance fee. So what that means is that the fixed costs stay the same, but the upside equal to unlimited recurring revenue. Meaning that GoHighlevel and EchoSetter will charge us a fixed cost, in this case $297 per month, and it will give you unlimited software account that you can resell to these business owner. So again, just to recap here, you have a fixed cost that allow you to have a hotel with lots and lots and lots of room, and then you can sell each room for whatever price you want. It can be $97 to $497 or even $997 per month. Now, how can we take this business model and build ourselves a 10K per month roadmap? Very simple, guys, is we're going to charge people a one-time high ticket setup fee, which is anywhere between $2,000 to $6,000 one time. And then we will charge a subscription-based follow-up retainer anywhere between $97 to $497 per month per client, right? And look, I'm not just saying this, we have done it ourselves. We even charge people up to $11,000 to set this thing up, and $297 to $497 per month of recurring revenue. Now, if you're wondering why this business owner willing to pay us so much, it's very simple, guys, because they make so much money in return. This is why I like to pick real estate agent, because the business model just makes sense, right? For example, this guy spent $200 and get $15,000 back from our campaign and our system. This guy make $11,000 from our AI system. And this guy make 10x ROI return of investment. This girl Amanda, the biggest hardcore in South Australia, make 120K in 14 days, so on and so on, guys. Now, if you're just starting out, I understand that asking business owner 2 to 6K upfront for your setup fee can be a little bit high or daunting, but trust me, guys, you need to think about the value that you bring to these businesses, not the cost. And this is why in our course, we're going to teach you how to attract this high paying client through our proven copy and paste meta ad and our exact copy and paste authority scripts. Let's run through the number, because number do not lie when it comes to operating this business model. We're going to start off with our first month here. So when it comes to cost, we're talking about platform costs, ad costs, or calling costs. On the first month, you're going to pay $0 to this platform, because they're going to give us a 30-day free trial through our strategic partnership with them to you guys. Okay, like this $400 and $500, it's really come to investing into ads and calling and texting people to get client into your door. Now you can go a step further into reducing this cost to $0 by actually email people and use your personal phone. But we don't recommend that, because it will take you longer than 30 days to get a client. So in our module and our course, we actually recommend that you start a $10 to $15 per day ad campaign to attract clients, so that you can make your money back as soon as possible. Now, when it comes to charging people, there's a range, right? Remember I said anywhere between 2 to 6K one-time setup fee and $97 to $497 of monthly recurring, right? So we're gonna do a calculation based on the two scenario, which is the low end and the high end. So the low end here is where you charge one client $2,000 to set up and $97 per month to maintain the system. So in total, you will get $2,097, right, on your first month if you land one client. And on the high end, let's say you come in with backgrounds of sales experience or software experience, you will be able to charge people quite high, 6K plus $497 of recurring revenue to maintain the system. So with one client on the first month, you will end up with $6,497. right? So based on this calculation, your first client should be able to cover all of your expense plus a little bit of profit. So on the second month, this is where you actually start to see the trend, because the platform will be charging you fees, right? So $297 for HighLevel and $297 for EchoSetter. So your expense will be ranging between $1,000 to $1,100, right? And on the low end, again, you will be making 2 clients, okay? And this is just assuming that you guys onboarding 1 client per month, which is very, very conservative estimate, okay? On the second month with 2 clients, you will make 4K plus 194 of recurring monthly revenue, a total of 4,194. Okay, on the high end with 2 clients, that's $12,000 with $994 worth of monthly recurring revenue. So that's 1K of recurring revenue coming back every month. So in total, on month 2, we're finishing up at 12,994. So nearly 13,000. With all this, we're just really stacking new wins, and expense of 1K is literally nothing anymore. Okay, now on the third month is where you can see the trends, because the expense does not go up. The platform fee will still stay consistent. The phone calls and bill is very minimal, and you're landing 3 clients at this stage. Even on the low end side, you'll be making 6K of cash collected and 291 monthly recurring income. So in total, that's $6,291,000. And on the high end, we're landing 3 clients the same, but we're collecting $18,000 and 1,491 worth of monthly recurring revenue. So in total, that's 19,491, nearly 20 grand, right? This is where the revenue stacking is starting to snowball, okay? So we're skipping forward here to month 6, right? So the expense here is still stay frankly quite the same, okay? Now, obviously there should be more caveat here. At this stage, you should be hiring staff, VA, client success, and paying more for your ad spend to recruit more clients. But the basic is still there, which is around $1,000, which is the platform fee, the phone bills, and all the SMS fee and all that stuff, okay? At month 6, at 1 client per month, you should hit 6 clients, okay? So even on the low end, you will hit 12K of cash collected plus 582 of monthly recurring revenue, right? This is where you actually pass 10K of cash collected, okay? So in total, you will collect 12,582, okay? And on the high end, 6 clients still the same, 36K of cash collected plus 2,982 of monthly recurring revenue each month, right? In total, you will collect 38,982. Okay, so you nearly make 40K from just 6 months doing this business if you just onboarding 1 client every month, right? Very, very conservative estimate here, guys. So this is where you're starting to see the recurring engines starting to stack in your favor. So hopefully you find this lesson helpful. Give it a thumbs up if you do, and see you in the next module so we can help you set this up as soon as possible and land your first client using no-code AI agents. See you soon.